Welcome back to the breakdown. Today we're going to be taking a look at a wireless voice recorder. This is a very nice voice recorder with some cool features on it. We're going to be talking about the pros and cons with this and let you know if this is right for you. First, a few disclaimers though. This was a review unit, but they don't get to see the review until it goes live on YouTube. They're watching it here just like you are, so keep that in mind. Second, pricing on this changes so rapidly, I hate to give you a price and have it be wrong, so I'll put links to this in the first pinned comment and the show notes down below, so you can find it on Amazon and check it out there. Lastly, if I don't happen to answer a question you may have, leave me a comment, let me know. I'll love to hear from you, and I'll do my best to answer your questions in the show notes down below, and the comments, excuse me. Lastly, hey, if you're new here, do me a favor, hit that subscribe button, hit that thumbs up, let YouTube know you enjoy what we do here. Doing so helps us out a lot because then YouTube recommends our videos to more people, helping us grow, helping me support my family. I would really appreciate it. With that said, let's start off this review just by diving into the actual charger, or actual voice recorder. Very nice. I do kind of like the two-tone nature of this. It's got kind of a chrome top and a matte gray, we'll call this finish. Very nice look to it. It is a metal and plastic combination here with it. Now you do have a very nice LED display here to tell you how much time is left in it, how much you recorded, and more. On the side, you have the ability to turn on and off the microphone and save. You have the ability to switch back and forth between different sources if you're using a microphone on it, and a volume button to adjust the volume for playback with that. You also on the front here have play, pause, so scroll through the menu options. You have a memory or delete file, so you can delete the file you selected and more. On the side, you have a micro SD card here and a micro USB. Now, I wish this was the USB-C. Everything should be USB-C, but the price point, it is a budget-friendly device with that. And then at the top, you do have the microphones with it. Let's take a look at everything that came with this, and I'll give you some pros and cons of this device. Start off with the fact that, like all voice recorders, make sure you get a good firm grip or have this laying on a device. Moving it around the table, moving around your hand will pick up that rustling kind of sound through the microphone and kind of destroy your recording. I always recommend when you're using voice recorders like this to either start the recording and then set it on the table and don't touch it to get the best voice quality, or get a very good grip on this, hold it tight so it's not sliding in your hand, and then do your interview, your back and forth, whatever it is you're recording. This is great for reporters. I've used one of these for many years when I'm recording interviews and more with people out there, so I can go back and re-listen to it. Secondly, it's great for podcasts. If you're looking for a cheap little podcast device they can use on the go, here's an option. I've used devices like this for that in the past. Overall, I'm happy. Is this the best microphone in the world? No, but you're not paying prices of some very expensive microphones. This is a good portable one. Rather recording maybe some class lectures, you can re-listen to your lecture there. I used to do that in college. Make sure your professors are okay with that if you're doing it. I always did, and more. This built-in speaker is okay. It does have a built-in headphone jack with the included headphone earbuds there, so you can listen to your recordings. Make sure you got it just the way you wanted it before you stop recording. The micro USB cable here allows you to transfer files without needing to remove the SD card. It does come with a built-in or with an SD card included in it, which is very nice here with it. That allows you to have built-in storage there with it. It starts at 64 gigabyte, one right there, which recording audio, that's a lot of files that you can record with it. Overall, I was very pleased with this. It's a nice little device at a very budget-friendly price and does a good job at being what it is, a voice recorder. So 2 thumbs up. For the price point, I don't think you're going to get a better voice recorder with a better microphone at this price point. If you are looking for better, you're going to be spending a lot more with it. I'll put a link to this in the show notes down below and in the first pinned comment. You can find it on Amazon there. If you have a question I didn't answer, leave me a comment, let me know. I'll love to hear from you. So until next time, take care, be safe. I'll be back again real soon.